If you're an investor in real estate, you're probably going to like this video because I'm going to be talking about why investing in real estate that's low price real estate, cheap price real estate is not the way to go. So I've been investing in real estate for 5 years now, and I've only been investing in cheap price properties. Properties under 100,000. I've got a couple over 100,000. I discovered that this is not the way to go. And the reason, like, you probably might be investing in real estate and you're looking for cheap investments. You could be like, oh, look, what are you talking about? When I put a down payment, when I put a tenant in my condo or my single family home, and I look at my cash on cash returns are pretty good. And that's right. It's pretty good. It's probably going to be the best. You know, the cheap condos, you know, I'm used to buying 70, 80, 100,000, 120, $150,000 condos or single family homes that are on a cheaper side. Yes, the cash on cash is going to be pretty high, over 10%, which is awesome. But in real estate, there's 4 income sources. One is cash flow. The other one is appreciation. There is principal reduction. And there's depreciation, it's tax benefits at the end of the year. So in 4 income streams, cheap investments, when they're priced pretty low, you don't have to put much money down and your cash on cash is high because the rent you're collecting versus expenses, you are left with $400 or $500 versus $30,000 down payment you need to put in. That's a lot of cash on cash return. That's a lot of money you're getting back every single month. But the other 3, which is principal reduction, appreciation, and tax benefits, those other 3 are super weak. They're super weak. It's pretty much peanuts. It's if you look at the principal reduction for every year, you're going to be holding the little condo or little single family home or townhouse. It's going to be $1,000 a year with principal reduction. Like it's not even $100 a month to put up with, you know, dealing with investments and being a landlord and handling the evictions, maybe not, hopefully not, and handling all the things that are happening with the real estate. I don't think it's worth it. The appreciation's pretty low, you know, the tax benefits also low. So that's what I've discovered. Cheap investments, they are good when you look at them as a cash return standpoint, but there's so much benefits and appreciation, and when the price is high and even if you break even, the principal reduction is so huge that you're looking at this equity. Of course, you know, you can never calculate that and anticipate that the values are going to go up. Of course they usually do, but just calculating and just hoping for the value to go up is not the right strategy. But that's why you've got also principal reduction. You know, you're looking at this equity building up and then you're trading this property for a bigger property. And now that property has a lot of principal reduction, appreciation, and also cash flow. That's what I'm kind of discovering now. And mind you, I've been investing in real estate for kind of like 5 years. And only now I'm understanding this. And I'm conveying that over here on this video. And that's my opinion. You know, the cheap investments is the right way to start investing in real estate. But as soon as you start getting your feet wet and understanding the game, I would say move into the bigger priced real estate as soon as possible. Just make sure there is some cash flow because, you know, you don't want to be working for free and holding the asset just so it breaks even. You definitely want, you know, some cash flow, but don't count just on the cash flow. The game with just looking at the cash on cash return, I think that's a big, you know, that's a big misconception and misunderstanding the game. There's 4 different, you know, income streams, and just look at the whole picture all together. Where is this asset going to take me? In cheap condos, want a strong 3 a week. I don't think that's a win-win, you know. So that's what I've discovered, and that's how I'm going to be pivot myself. And hope you find this video, you know, helpful. If so, give me a thumbs like, subscribe. This channel is all about tips for real estate agents, tips for real estate investors, and some self-development tips. So hope to see you soon, guys. Thanks so much for watching.